focused breathing exercise. Take a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Relax all your muscles. Release all tension in your body. Notice the sounds around you. Gently sweep aside any thoughts and ask them to return later. No thoughts, no judgments, no opinions. Just be. Now focus all your attention on your breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply. Be aware of your breathing. Notice how this takes attention away from your thinking and creates space. Notice the sensation of the breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your body. Notice how the chest and abdomen expand and contract slightly with the breathing in and the breathing out. All you have to do is watch it happening. There is no strain and no effort involved. Now notice the brief cessation of the breath, particularly the still point at the end of the out breath before you start breathing in again. Focus on the gaps between the two breaths. Feel the stillness in the gaps between your breaths. Remain focused on these gaps for a few breathing cycles. When you are ready, you may open your eyes. You may feel energized relaxed and calm. Remember these feelings throughout the day. This can help you to deal with life's challenges in a calm and thoughtful manner.